Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something a little bit different here to show you. But before I get started, just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for hitting that subscribe button. It really does make a difference on this channel, and I do appreciate each and every one of you guys and all of your likes, subscribing, and commenting, and all your general interaction with the channel. It all does help out, and it helps me bring more of this content to you. As you know, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy that likes his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I've always got more watches coming in, so I can keep this content coming out to you guys. So once again, thank you guys all so much, and let's get into the watch that we have today. Today we've got a watch from the company NIXON, or is it NOXON? NIXON. NIXON. Okay. So we're going to go with NIXON on this thing. And this is a watch that I've wanted to check out for quite a while. The price range is a little bit higher on this watch, but it still keeps it within the budget-friendly price range, especially for a luxury brand. It is a very nice looking watch online. I have not opened up this box to check it out yet. So when I see it, it will be me seeing it for the first time, as with most of my videos. So let's get into this NIXON watch and check it out. I was pretty interested when I saw it online. It looked like a really nice luxury brand with a decent price on it. But let's see if it lives up to everything I hope it will be. All right, now as you know, I'm a huge fan of these turquoise colored watches. I really do like them a lot. And let's just see what we've got here. Okay, so this is the NIXON SSA356. It is a luxury watch. It looks like it has the oyster bracelet on it with a security clasp. And the side press releases. It is a stamped stainless steel clasp, and you know I really like the milled clasps a lot better, but let's take a good look at this thing. It does seem to function really nicely, and it has the logo on the safety, and it is a pretty smooth transition, so I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs up. I like that. The bracelet is really, really tight on this thing. Nice and solid. It looks like it's got push pins to adjust it. Did they send an adjustment tool? I don't think they did. No adjustment tool for this thing, so you'd actually have to purchase an adjustment tool or get it sized by a jeweler. But I'm gonna have to say it's a pretty nice looking watch, guys. It does have that day-date format. Only thing is, it's mineral crystal on this thing. I wish they would have gone with a sapphire on it, especially for the price range, but it is a recessed crystal on this thing. I don't know if you can see that in the on the camera, but the crystal actually sits a little bit below the ridge of the frame on this thing. It's a 42 millimeter case, all stainless steel, and it does, I believe it's 100 meters of water resistance on this guy. So let's take a look at what it says on the back here. It says the NIXON Century, 100 meters stainless steel Japanese movement. So it is a Japanese quartz movement. I wish this thing would have been, for its price range, an automatic with a sapphire crystal. But nonetheless, very nice looking watch. I love the design on it. I love the hollow look to the hands on it. And I just love that sharp second hand. Looks like a spear. And it kind of blends into the hour indices, which is pretty nice. I like that as it's ticking. But yes, day-date format, really nice color on this thing. Oyster clasp bracelet, or oyster style bracelet with the stamped stainless clasp. It's got some good weight to it. It feels nice. It doesn't jingle a lot, which is nice. Very nice looking watch. I'd have to say, it is a nice looking watch, but the price is a little bit up there. Like I said, a little bit on the higher end of the budget friendly price range at $275 right now, currently on Amazon. It is the NIXON Sentry SS A356, 100 meters of water resistance, day date format, mineral crystal, Japanese quartz, 42 millimeter, and stainless steel bracelet on this thing. But the bracelet, I'd have to say, is very, very nice. It's a nice quality watch. Solid, nice quality watch. I don't think you can go wrong with it. So if you're looking in that price range for something that's halfway decent, I would definitely consider picking this up. I will post a link to it in the description below. So you guys can head on over and check it out and maybe pick one of these guys up and wear one for yourselves. So with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to head on over and check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com, where I do post watches that I have reviewed here on this channel, and I also provide affiliate links on that website as well, so you guys can head on over and pick up any of those watches that you'd like. So once again, if you have any questions about any of these watches, the watch I'm reviewing today, any of the watches that you see here, or the watches that I'm wearing, just be sure to leave those in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer as many questions as I can. And until next time, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, consider that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. And stay tuned to the channel because I do have more watches on the way. I have a bunch of watches coming in next week. I still have a few watches that I haven't even opened up yet that I'm going to be going over in the next couple of days. So definitely stay tuned to the channel if you want to see more of these watches. I do have watches coming in from Amazon. I have watches coming in from AliExpress next week also. So some pretty interesting stuff coming in on the horizon. Once again, I hope everybody out there is doing great, and I hope you guys have had a great week, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave those in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Thank you guys all so much, and have a great week.